Tired of your car overheating in the sun? Let's compare windshield covers for sun protection. Traditional covers versus our online store's windshield cover. First, material quality. Cheap covers often use thin fabric. Our cover uses premium, heat-resistant material. Cheap covers fade and tear quickly. Our cover resists fading and lasts much longer. Next, coverage area. Many regular covers leave edges exposed. Our cover offers full windshield coverage, edge to edge. Partial coverage means more heat inside your car. Full coverage blocks more sunlight, keeps your car cooler. Attachment matters. Basic covers slip or blow away easily. Our cover features secure, adjustable straps. No more chasing covers in the wind. Installation time. Regular covers can be fiddly and slow. Our cover installs in seconds, hassle-free. Storage. Bulky covers take up trunk space. Our cover folds compactly for easy storage. Let's see the difference side by side. Left, regular cover. Right, our online store's cover. Notice the flimsy material on the left. Our cover looks sturdy and premium. Edges exposed on the regular cover. Our cover fits perfectly, no gaps. Regular cover slips off in the wind. Our cover stays put, even on breezy days. After one summer, regular cover is faded. Our cover still looks new. Temperature check. Inside with regular cover. Still hot, uncomfortable to touch surfaces. Now with our cover, noticeably cooler inside. Dashboard and seats protected from sun damage. Regular covers can scratch glass if not careful. Our cover's soft lining prevents scratches. Let's summarize the advantages. Durable, heat-resistant material outlasts competitors. Full coverage for maximum sun protection. Secure fit, no more slipping or blowing away. Quick installation saves you time. Compact storage, no bulky mess. Keeps your car cooler and more comfortable. Protects your dashboard and seats from fading. Soft lining prevents glass scratches. Why settle for less effective covers? Invest in quality for your car's protection. Our online store offers fast, reliable shipping. Easy ordering process, secure checkout. Thousands of satisfied customers trust our product. Perfect for all car owners, any vehicle type. Great for daily drivers, commuters, and families. Ideal for hot climates or summer months. No more burning hands on your steering wheel. No more cracked dashboards from sun exposure. Save money on interior repairs and detailing. Make your car last longer. Look better. Still using a basic cover? Time for an upgrade. See the difference for yourself. Order now from our online store. Enjoy a cooler, protected car every day. Don't wait for sun damage to happen. Act now and safeguard your investment. Click the link to shop our windshield cover. Special offers available for a limited time. Easy returns and customer support guaranteed. Choose the smart option for your vehicle. Upgrade to our windshield cover today. Experience the best in sun protection. Thank you for watching this comparison. Ready for a cooler, safer car? Order your windshield cover now.